my god. I get a new phone. Feels like Christmas. So yesterday I ordered an iPhone 11 Pro Max and it came in the mail this morning. I waited the entire day to pick it up because I was out in the forest with my friend. So the whole day I was just so excited, and finally it's here! It's here! Oh my god! Like, I don't really buy stuff just for, you know, being in and being trendy. Then what actually happened with my phone, this is my old phone. I'm not sure what is, I think this is iPhone 6 or iPhone 6s, and this is like 5 years old. And then what happened actually was that early this year, this is when I went to bathroom trip. This one just made its way to the toilet bowl, so it's ruined. I knew that I have to buy a new phone, but then I was like, this is still working, I could still send SMS, I can still make calls, so I'm not gonna like spend money to buy a new phone. And until recently I've been thinking about pursuing vlogging, and of course when you pursue vlogging you have to have a good camera. So I think iPhone 11 Pro Max has a really great camera. So enough of my talking, let's just open this. Do you see it? I hope you see it. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna... This is not easy. Oh my god. I could have gotten a stone. Guys, this is genuine reaction. iPhone 11 Pro Max, 256 gig. Your girl is the happiest girl now. Again. Okay, shall we open? We shall. I've waited the entire day, so we should open this right now. You know, before I made this video, I was actually watching unboxing videos on YouTube, so I get the idea how do they do it. Because personally, even if I worked in the telecommunications company for 6 years, I'm not really a tech person. People think that I am, but I'm not. Seriously. So, let's hope for the best. Here the side. I just keep on laughing. Oh my god. Guys, it's so pretty. Like, I think right now this is the most careful moment of my life. Like, I can't break this. I just can't. But first off, we'll see what's on the box. Okay, so this is the box. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Designed by Apple in California. So this is like the manual. Whoever reads the manual. I'm lazy for this stuff. Headset, earplugs, whatever. It's the same. And of course the charger. I've heard that this is a fast charging thing, so that's a good thing. This is the cable. Here's a charger. So that's basically it. So that's what's inside the box. Now let's go back to the phone. It's so pretty, you guys. It's so nice. Oh my god. And look at the difference though. I think this is an iPhone 6s or an iPhone 6. So as you can see, the logo is a little bit like up, and this one is on the center. Okay, how do I switch this on? Just probably do this. Maybe I have to turn a little bit so you can see. The on is like in here, like on the side. Just gonna... Hello. So I think I'm not removing this until I get a new screen protector and a case. the instruction is in Norwegian, so it would take a while for me to absorb what it says. Okay, so it says that I have to, I think for my apps to like transfer here in the new phone, I have to like sync in, but I'm using the current phone that I'm using is I'm using it. Huh? What? But anyway, what I was trying to say is that the phone that I'm using right now is I'm using it filming this video, so I will just do it later. I'm just so lazy right now, so I will just choose configure manual, so I will do it later. The Face ID, so this is gonna do the Face ID now. So I have to have a code. I could have chosen English, but since I'm learning Norwegian, I want my phone to be in Norwegian as well. Comment to iPhone. It means welcome to iPhone. Thanks. Swipe up to get started. Yay! I'm gonna do the syncing later, the apps, and of course the photos from my old phone. But you know, with iPhone, everything is magic. It's just syncing and connecting iCloud and stuff, so it's gonna be easy. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy. After 4 or 5 years, I finally have a new phone. Like, it's very rare for me to actually get the gadget, but it's here. This is what I'm looking forward to the most, the camera, because I've heard so many good reviews about the camera, so I know this is going to be amazing. So it's just gonna take a selfie. So nice. Hi, first video on my new phone. Selfie. Oh, this is amazing. That's it. That's it. No, this video is not to brag. I just really wanted to do this for fun and just try out vlogging and see if it's for me. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. So now that I have a new phone with a good camera, so this means that more videos, more quality videos coming up. So recently I've been thinking about filming and I have some content ideas already. So it's just a matter of finding time and motivation. Please tune in and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. Bye.